All right, hey everybody out there, welcome one, welcome all. How we all doing out there tonight? Listen, so just a really quick thing. We got. I'm gonna go over this really quick. We did get a long call on the scalper, so we got a long call on the rocket scalper right here. Bounced off a little bit of trending support. Now I do have this in a triangle, and this is retesting this triangle. This doesn't mean that this, now when you get a long call, you can still get a retrace and then a bounce up. So I am looking for one of these two options here to play out. I'm looking for this to give us a rise up. Now let me tell you, and yeah, I'm lesser to this extent right here, and I should move this line up here, and I should really get rid of this one. Because we do have that daily bullish cross, right? So this was my notes. I said, listen, my notes are very, very simple. I had this yesterday, 20 hours to break lower than 35.22 because you have that bull cross, right? So let's go see where that bull cross is. And there it is. There's that bull cross right there, right? You got the bull cross. Then we got the long call on the scalper. Not much after that, right? We did get the long call on the scalper. We've got a nice bounce off down here, support. Now, if you're watching, I have two charts up, so we did have a very heavy, thoroughly tested support area. Wick down into it. Looks like we popped to the 382. Popped the 382. We are getting a bounce here. Now, do I think it's possible? Now, we're going to have to just keep moving this down, this meme line, because we're going to go up, right? Now, this is going to get harder and harder to start breaking these higher levels up here. You have a lot of resistance that's up here above us. So this line that was over here is now going to get harder and harder because it's going to have to start moving like this into this trend line of resistance, okay? So you've still got a lot of pressure up here. And let me show you guys. You've got a lot of pressure to get over 3650. Right? A lot of pressure to get over 3650. I've got 3660 as a resistance in there, but honestly, this thing is going to move down a little bit. I'm going to readjust this 3650 area. We're going to put it right there. Okay? So we got a wick, nothing, hardcore wick, a close. And I'm just going to leave this right in this little range right here where we have a lot of resistance. So I'm really looking for this now to be a strong point of resistance if this moves up. So that worked out perfect right there. So I'm going to say up to here. And this is really going to have to be where the rubber meets the road, right? So we're going to bring this over, and then we're going to pop this in here. And this is going to be our chart over to there, right? So I really think we're going to have having a more as the time goes by, we're just running into more resistance here as you're just kind of, this was good. This is a great bounce right here, beautiful bounce. And then look, you've got that gorgeous cross right there. Now, let me tell you what this cross, once again, it's not always a guaranteed cross, right? Like here, look, there's the cross right there's your bullish cross. You got a nice little pump up. Very nice, right? So that one worked out very well. But if you go back here, when we were moving laterally, when we were moving sideways, right? Look, there's a bullish cross, bullish pump. Nice, right? Let's see if we can find one right in here. Yeah, we had, look, this was one, but this was on the price action, so I don't like this as much. You see that the price fell out here. So you did have a little bit of a cross in here, bullish cross, but it was on the price action. The price action did fall out. So we are far enough under the price. I like this. We're not too far. We're not too close. I would look at this as a bullish cross right here, right? Bullish cross, beautiful. Bullish cross. Now this one came back down into it, but you were competing against a TD9, so that was very significant. because you had a TD9 here that retraced down into it. This bullish cross still stayed bullish and did force the price up. It never broke the cross. So your cross point would have been your support line, because the price action would have had to break through both of those moving averages. Would have been much tougher. Price here, look, down right into the bull cross, bullish, and then topped out and then died, okay? So I do feel right now, I think we're going to get some kind of a bullish action out of this. How high this can be, I have yet to, I don't know yet, but this is turning into a nice daily wick right here. Really nice daily wick, I might say, right? And I could see some kind of little action that would take us up and a little pokey over. And something more along the lines of this right here, right? Fell down, wick up, right? Retrace, and then die. Fell down, right? Nice retrace. We've had a really nice little retrace right here. We've had a nice little retracement. And, you know, so this is the top of that retracement right there. And let me go find the bottom. There's the bottom. Yep, came down, popped the 382, didn't quite hit the 5.0, right? Still nice, still legit, and it's like we hit the 7 MA in there with the bullish cross. Yeah, so all right, so that's it. That's a great cross. That to me is bullish. And we couldn't break this, right? Now, this doesn't mean that we can't get some kind of an up and then a funky retest down, and we're going to go over that with our other chart right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to readjust this chart right here, because I'd want to see a breakout to here, and then this is really where I think the test would come, would be right here, something like this. You know, it might be something over here, right? And then you're gonna try to break out over here. I really don't know how high that would break out, something like that. Okay, so I'm gonna get rid of this. I don't think we're gonna break south of that cross. Where's that cross sitting at? That's 7 MA. There it is. 35.41. Oops. Nope. That was almost bad. Look at that. That's making it really nice. 12 hour, 6 hour, 4 hour. So I want to see that get broken right there. shit, this is the daily. Alright, so before I get trolled, moving my perfect arrow over there, that was. Alright, I'm going to move this here. Something like this. Then I go like this. Delete. All right. Okay, so we're going to get rid of that because we didn't break it. I should be closing my short trade. That was a winner. And I still see this running up into here somewhere and then retracing. Damn it, didn't get low enough. Jesus, I don't like that. I don't like that up there. I want to get past this first, right? I want to break this first. I want the bulls to break this first. I don't like this. I want to get over this first. right? This I really want to see this. Just break this first, okay? And then we can have a little chat ski, okay? But I think this has got to get broken first right here. All right, this is just such a critical area, and then we'll talk. But I think this is just going to be a up, a pootsie around, and then a back down, right? I don't think it's going to make it over this area right here. I would like to see, if we get a run up to here, I think we're definitely going to get a red arrow back down. I'm talking a big arrow. I should just slide that up here. Something like that. There we go. All right. Next, I'm going to do some alts. All right, give me a second. Let me do some alts. Everybody's asking for BTT. I'm going to do PTT. Oh, what? Here's BTT. Oh, look at this. Look at this. All right, so here was our chart from yesterday. Right, I said turning into a bearish channel if it breaks the 618. Look, we hit the support. Here's our call yesterday. Let's go find it. Let's go find BTT. There it is. This is yesterday, 10 p.m. yesterday night. All right, it's there. You see, it's basically the same thing. This turns into a bearish channel if it breaks the 618. Just you had to hold the 618 or it would turn into a bearish channel. Nice bounce out of here so far. Very nice bounce. Let's see how much they can hold this. So I will adjust this chart here, okay? So this is a good bounce. This basically turned in, is this a double bottom? It is not. So we did not turn into a double bottom. That's not a double bottom. Let's see what we got here. Not an E bottom. Not really. Trying to look at, see if I can pull out a inverted head and shoulders there. No, having a hard time doing that. Okay, look at my funny notes. Loadsy dump, dumped on the fools, and then a pump. They are doing the token stuff right now, right? They're dropping all the tokens. I don't know how much higher this can go. I would really be careful pulling this up into here. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to go like this. Kind of got that. All right, I like that. That's good. Right, that kind of works for me. I like it. Do the log. Oops. Also do this log. Let's see if this works out better. Oh yeah, that's nice. That's pretty. Yep, that works out. I like that. Close, close, close. All those closes. Looks good. Okay. That's good. So here's the deal, okay? I would really be looking at this level right here to break this level. So I'd want to break this level. This looks good. Nice bounce off support. That's nice. I would just look to hold. I would look for this to definitely get there. And then careful with a double top, okay? It's hard to get any patterns out of this because it's so new, right? It's just so new. I mean, we're on the 4 hour. I can't go any other. I don't even think I could put moving averages on this thing, right? But I would look for something like this into resistance, either one of these, right? Because I think Bitcoin's going to get a little pump here. So if Bitcoin gets a little bit of a pump, it would be nice. It's going to take this with it. Okay, so we're just going to call this, we'll do R1, resistance 1. R2, resistance 2. So I would really just look out for these levels right here is what I would be looking for. And this is going to be very simple because all you're going to be doing is just watching for a break. You're just watching for a break here of this area right here. Right, just be watching for a break of this trend line. As long as it holds the trend line, it will remain bullish. Okay, as long as this holds this trend line, it looks good. BTT. Hey, Lise. Oh, look at this. Lisa's in the house. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Five, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Man, I don't know about that 5 coming down right there. It's a sketchy little 5 coming down right there. Looks more like an A, B, C maybe. Right? Maybe a failed. Maybe this is a failed. Because you're not supposed to. I would just go like A, B, C, or just A, B, C this here, and then look for your 5 wave up. I don't like that 5 in there. But yeah, so I don't like this. This could be an A, B, C right there. And then here's your X, A, B, right? A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C. So you can count your A, B, C's all the way down in that thing. And then you're 1, 2, looking for your wave 3, 4, 5, I think. If this is impulsive, you're just going to tell really quick if this is impulsive. Yeah, if it's lower, it's going to be a shit show. If it's lower, I think if you break out of this trend line, though, if it breaks out of this trend line, it's going to go down. So the other thing is, right? Let's talk about the most important thing, right? Oh, I hate that when it does that. Let's talk about the most important thing here of everything, right? Buy the news and rumor. Sell the event. Right? So I would say that this is something everybody should be worried about. Right? This is something you all should be worried about right here. Is when is Justin and CZ going to dump this on everybody? Right? They're going to pump it, then they're going to dump the shit out of everybody. Right? Okay, there you go. So the 14th. The event is on the 14th. Thank you. 2/14. So let's call this, just gonna have a run up here till the 14th, and then these guys are just gonna turn around and dump it on everybody's head, right? All right, come on. Why is my thing not working? There we go. All right. There we go. And Lisa in the house. All right, and everyone. All right, hold on a second, Lisa. And they don't cross. They don't cross. What don't cross? Yeah, the 4 does look like it retraces back up over the 1. That's why I'd count this A, B, C. Right? I think at first I'd take this down to 4 hour to get a good count out of this. This looks like A, B, C right here. I'd count this an A, B, C, and then maybe a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lisa, you're supposed to be the damn bull here. Seriously, you're supposed to be the damn bull. Seriously, you're the damn bull. You're supposed to be counting these bullish charts. So I would be looking for, so let's mark the 14th. So we're going to go over here and mark the 14th on the date. Where's it at? 15th, 14th. And 2. You know, we might just call this My Bloody Valentine, right? This will be My Bloody Valentine. How about this? It'll be My Bloody Valentine. Yeah, I wouldn't want to see a retrace back under here. I think this would be bearish. I think if this retraces back under here, this loses the trend line. It loses the momentum. I don't like losing that. Okay. Oh shoot. Lisa says target is 13. Yeah, I totally agree. Yep. I think that's a good target. I think that's a good target, Lisa. Yeah, I need to go over and I should close my short trade. I just don't think we're in the, I don't know. We'll see. Well, give me a second here. Let's go over ICX. Let's take a look at ICX. Very interesting. Double top-ish on ICX. I don't like this. right? Look at that double top right there. Let's see what I had on ICX. Let's pull up our ICX charts. There we go. There's ICX. Let's go back a little deeper. There's ICX. All right, so here, let's blow this up for everybody. All right. So if you see, you can see right here, I have this, you can see where I had ICX. Oh, let's move this. Okay, let's see here what we got. Got what do we got? 4 hour. I gotta see which chart this is. 1 day and 12 hour. I got 1 day and 12 hour here. Okay, there's that 200 MA. That's the 12 hour though. I want to go find the other one. $23. Here it is. This is at 23.9, 239. This has got to be it right here. Yeah. So there it is. It's marked on the chart right there. 239 something something. There it is. That's it. All right. So I had this as the resistance on the chart. You see where the resistance on the chart is. And we've pegged that puppy twice. Right? We smacked that baby twice. Get a little snippy snip. Control C. All right, so that worked out pretty well. Okay, let's get rid of this. Get rid of this. All right. So, listen, we've hit this. This is a double top right here. Right? That's a double top. I don't like that. I mean, that is a very serious double top right there. This is a double top. That's like a real deal double top right there. I don't like that. I don't like this pattern it did. You have a bunch of bullish crosses still coming. So right now you just had a cross, the 30 and the 200 crossed bullish. I don't like, look at all these bear, look at this bear pattern right here. Look at that. Rejected, 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 rejected. I don't like any of that. Right? That was a big head and shoulders right there. There it was. There was the head and shoulders. Right? There's the head and shoulders right there that played out. That had room to go down, and then it pumped. You see, you had a big double top over here, and this sure as hell looks like it's making another double top. And look at that. You hit the trend line. So you walloped on the trend line. There's the trend line I put in there. I put this trend line all the way back. Look at how far this baby goes back. I kind of cut off a lot of shit up there. Right? Top that. Cut off a bunch of crap right there. I mean, I think this can maybe break out. Look, you've got a bullish cross on the daily too. Oh yeah, this is going to break out. Got a bullish cross right here, just happened on the daily. With a double top. Give me a second. Yeah. See, look, here you had the double top and you had a bullish cross, and the bullish cross got its ass wrecked. So the bullish top got its ass wrecked right there by that. Now we have a bullish cross. Double top and trend line. Right, you got double top and trend line resistance. Boy, and you got the 3-day 30 MA. And you got the 3-day 30 MA. So we got in the weekly. It's got to, it'll be very, if we get on top of this trend line and it closes on top of this trend line, right? It'll be super, super bullish. I'd want to see it close. I want to see it close and open above this. What is that? 25, what's that? 25 cents. Point two. All right, okay. There's ICX. So I think what I'm looking at here is if we do get a pump up, I'll be looking for a rejection. Something like this. So this would be bullish and this would be bearish. And then super bearish is just if this just dies. I can't make a short video. I know. All right. All right. BNB, best looking token in all of crypto. BNB, wow. Honestly, the best token in all of crypto. Right, has utility, has use, insane, keeps going. I just keeps going. I said I should have bought look, you got the 7 MA just crossed the 200 MA, bullish, just keeps going. This thing is like, just doesn't quit. It's like an Energizer freaking bunny, right? 786 is the next fib up. So I don't know, man. I mean, this thing can just keep going. Honestly, they can just keep pumping the living bejesus out of this thing. I should have bought this. The time to buy this was at this 200 MA right here. I think this has still got a little bit of legs to keep going. Honestly, this thing is just by far the best token in all of crypto. Look at that volume profile. Seriously, like, this is the best looking volume profile. This is, all right, listen. I'm going to say this one more time. You will know we are in a bull market when your volume profile looks like this, okay? This is buying. This is volume. This, you can't, like, this is what you want to see. Slow, kind of grinding out with good volume, and then boom. And then just reset a little bit in here, and then boom. Like, this is gorgeous, right? I mean, they're killing it. Now, are they making it too expensive? They got to remember, they can't go too crazy with this because the cost of trading, you know, this gets really expensive for the cost of freaking trading. But man, these guys killing it. CZ shilling the shit out of it. Good job, you guys. Good job. Litecoin. Litecoin. Let's go to the daily. Probably got a daily cross here. Oh, that's weird. No daily cross on Litecoin. That is interesting. So you'll have a daily cross tomorrow. And this is more of a neutral cross. Cross with the 30 and the 100. Tomorrow. Neutral cross. Volume? Let's go look at the 4 hour. Odd. That's all I can say. Really odd. I was looking for more of a pullback on this, right? You can see where I wanted this baby to retrace to. I didn't get the retracement that far. Being super bullish right now. Very, very odd pattern. Very odd. Inside bar candle. I think a little bit up. This looks like an inside bar candle. That looks like an inside bar right there. Maybe a little more up skis. The 200 rejected on the daily, right? Look at that. This is the 200 MA daily smackdown. All right, there's the 200 MA, the smackdown right there. Your support's at 382 because you got the 7 MA there. Maybe a little more up skis and a little more down skis. Right? So, all right, maybe some up skis and then some down skis. I mean, so let's do this. This is going to go here. Make a new one here. I'm going to make this one orange and red. And then we'll make this one green if it gets over here. I'm going to make this orange. So I want to break this 200 MA. Like to make me impressed, I want to break the 200 MA. Like I think maybe a little more up skis than some down skis. Like you break the 200 MA and then we'll have a talk, okay? We'll sit here and we'll say, okay, that was nice. All right, that's going to be bullish. That'll be a green candle. But I think it'll run out of steam, and I think it'll fucking tank. Let's do... I wanted this to retrace back here. It did not. I still think it's... I'm just going to leave this. I still want to see this retrace back here. LTC. No bull cross on the daily. God, I don't like that. Maybe? Maybe something like this. Maybe something like a little higher. Right? Maybe something like that. I don't really like that. I don't like that either. All right. Ethereum. Yeesh. All right. Bullish 9. Right? Bullish 9. Bullish TD9. Gorgeous. Listen, if... possible? What do you think? Hmm. Hmm. Okay, so here's BTC USD, and let's see what we got here. Same thing, same little structure. Let's get that out of there. Nah, that's too funky. It's too funky to be a Head and Shoulders. Right? That's too funky to be a Head and Shoulders. I don't think that can be a Head and Shoulders. Nah. I don't know. I can't really see that being a Head and Shoulders. Like that. Let's make it really light. Alright, well, it's like you can't even see it. Okay. Alright, there's the bull cross. So we got the bull cross. Yeah, there's no reason this can't go up to. Actually, let me snapshot this first. I just don't think this is a Head and Shoulders here. It's a really weird fucking Head and Shoulders if it is. If anything, it's a Give me 1 second, everybody. All right, XRP. So I'm not going to do XRP. I'll do Link. Link, Lord. So I'm almost, so I went into a long here. I got greedy. I didn't, this is the problem with fucking doing TA 24 hours a day. I'm too busy doing TA, answering messages and talking to people, and not fucking focusing on my trades. And I should have taken profit right there. I had it in my frickin' thing. I am almost stopped out. Trade, right? Yeah, so I got into this right here in the break of this. Got into the break of this, bought in low. I said, shit, I was waiting for 50, 49, 50. If you go back and you remember, I was up here. Let's go back. Let's go find fucking... And just too busy. Let's see here. Let's see if I can find my link trade. Let's go find this. There it is. There it is. And there it is. Yep. Back that one up. Boink. And that was my target. right, there's that. SV, let's do an SV look at. SV, listen, still in the same. Nothing has changed. This has just worked its way into a symmetrical triangle. I am not changing anything on this. Still under the resistance line. SV can go either way here. It's got to break out of the top and or the bottom. You've got a ton of resistance both on the top side, and you got a bunch of support on the bottom side here. So, you know, you just got to really just play this one out. This is a 50-50 trade right here. Okay, so you're still a 50-50 trade right here. You're just into a Pac-Man is all you've done. You just came right into this Pac-Man. I wouldn't be playing this. I would wait for a breakout to either side. And honestly, my resistance is still, right? My resistance is still right here. I still think you got to get past this 7140 range right here. Honestly, right down here, I got nothing. I mean, actually, let's take that back. You can go right there. Oh yeah, that's nice. Look at that. Got a wick and everything right there. I'll take that wick. I'll move that right there. All right, so there's, you get two top side reads. You got this one, clone, and then you got this one. What is that? 67.27. 67.27. And this is heavy. Heavy top side. Heavy resistance there. And there you go. This is not a long trade for me. Right? At 67.27. All right, there we go. So I want, like, listen, look at this trend line. You got a lot of resistance with this trend line here. I want to see a solid break of this area before I would do any looking at this. Tron just dying. Tron, look, you're broke out, bearish. So Tron. TRX broke bearish. Yep. Bear break. Fucking pissed at myself. Chase this fucking bitch all the way to the sky. I was so mad. I just got so mad at it. Raven not looking good. Listen, okay, we're gonna do this chart right here. Okay, so right here, I am looking for a second little nubby. I want a little nubby. Give me a second nubby. I got a double nubby here, but I want to see a second nubby here. I want to see this cross this, or I want a second nubby all the time. I'm telling you, this thing happens all the damn time. Right? Lower high, higher high, dump. Right? Look. Lower high. Where is the next HH? Right? Lower high, high. Look, lower high, higher high. Blah, 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 blah. Right? Got it? Get it? Good. Okay? So, this is my chart. This is that simple. We just got a bullish cross. We should get a little bit of a pumpy uppy. That would probably give us the... Ooh. All right, jump to present. Right, recognize the past trend, bitches, because this is what happens, right? Lower high, higher high, lower high, higher high, and we can go all the way back over here and let's take a look, right? See where these all happen. Lower high, higher high, lower high, higher high, lower high, higher high, lower high, lower high, higher high. Now, very significant, this did not make a new high. Even though the price action made an, even though this made a new high, this did not make a new high. Look, there it is. There, did it again. And we're doing the same thing. Look, same thing here. Look, there, higher high. Now, we broke the top side, so we're clearly broken out of the top side here. All right, so broken, back in, nothing, right? Broken. Now, if we stay on top of this, we're definitely going to go put in a higher high here. All right, boom, 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 boom. This one just freaking died. This is the only one that didn't do shit, right? This was the danger. This was the oh shit dump. Right, this is the oh shit dump right there. Okay? The oh shit dump. Let me get this thing smaller. Okay, so we've had one oh shit dump and lower high, higher high. Now, remember when this one happened, lower high, higher high, this was a lower price action, higher high, right? So this is weaker. These last few has been weaker. L lower, HHP, higher price, and then lower higher price dump, right? I hope people got that. Right, so you see the price action right here. We'll show this price action. It's right here, right here. Double top, lower, second, high, dump. Oh shit. Okay, so there we go. We got our first out there. Now we just got to see how high this baby pumps up. This would be... I've still got all my squiggles in here. Historically, I'm going to keep my squiggles. They're actually working out freaking absolutely perfect. Okay, so we're going to zoom into this baby. There it is. Right? Shoom, 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 shoom. Just like I had predicted. Exactly like I had predicted. Now, this is your daily 100 MA, so there's definitely going to be your resistance. Your resistance is up here and moving down. So your resistance is definitely clipping down pretty damn fast right here. right? We have that chart in another chart area, right? There's a lot of resistance right there. I could see some right there. Right? Nothing says that this can't just take a freaking a frog turd on us. I don't think this is going to take a giant frog turd on us. I already did link. Already did link. Kwame, I did link. That's right. Where? Did I do link? Yeah, there it is. There's link. So link, I basically just showed my link trade. Right? So here's you go. You got to do this. What you got to do? You got to go like this. Got to go like this. And like this. That's it. You break that and you're fucked. Link needs to hold that trend line. Link needs to hold this damn trend line right here. This is it. Do or die. It's got to hold that damn trend line. It's got to hold the 382. Yeah, I mean, you're sitting right on this thing, I'd say. What is this, the 4 hour? Yeah, I mean, you're right here. You break this and you're kind of fucked. That's link. No problem, buddy. All right. Okay, let me go figure this stuff out. Give me a second. Yep, nothing. 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 Let me scoot this over here. Oh, shoot. Hold on, let me back up 1 second, everybody. Let me back up. I want to do the Dow Jones. Ah! Ah! All right, shooting star is what I called yesterday. Let's see. It's just got to break over. It's got to get above that. Okay, let's see. A little pop today. A little pop. Once again, take a look here. You see why I have 3650 is such a tough line to break. You see, you got it. You're with that trend line, right? You still got this trend line resistance. 50 to 35.60. Oh, 36.50. Jesus Christ. You know what? Let's go back to that chart. Off log. Same thing. Okay, there goes that bullish run, just like we had back here with Baby Bull Jesus, right? This is that bullish run. This is Baby Bull Jesus right here. You know, we're going to give him his own little... Make it pink. Baby Bull Jesus was right there. Hey Joe, key, is that a coin? I've never heard of it. So listen, we're super close. This is my long and short trade line right here on the RSI. And look, we broke over it. We didn't break the very bullish area. There's the very bullish area right there, which I should fill that thing in. There you go. Never broke the very bullish area, but you can see that we broke back down between this long and short trade line. Now we're so close to this long and short trade line. You guys have got to be very, very cautious trading right here, because you know you can get a quick turnaround right here. There's nothing that says you get a quick turnaround, but this line does have a lot of resistance at it. Right, there's a lot of resistance. So what I should do is I should come over here and I should put a little like a this right here. Right, like that. And that is a resistance area. You see the resistance area right there. Okay. Stretch that out. Okay, and BLX always behind. It's my multiple Meyer. We already went over this one. There's the fractal from 2014. So the fractal from 2014 still playing out. I know there's no way there's 120. I know there's no way there's give me a second, let me throw on. Yeah, there's nothing there. No bull cross there. Okay, nothing. Yep, the same, doing the same. Now we got rejected off of this, which is a pretty strong rejection line. Still playing out. Nothing got dumped off our weekly. I don't see any more. So here's our new. This is the new support, 35.29, right? So 35.29 is new weekly support. Weekly, new RNS equals 35. What did I just say? 35.29. It's brand new support and resistance right there, 35.29. So the top side one is 36.52. Okay. And you now got your bottom one. Let's get rid of that. And then we're going to mark this one 33.40. All right, top side. It's still 36.52. Yeah, 2. Or side support is 35.29. All right, we're just trapped. We're trapped right here. Just stuck. And I still got this nice bounce. There's your little bouncy. Trying to hold this. Beautiful rejection off there. Just got to see how this plays out. You can see the last few times everything was rejected from right back here in this area. Now, very significant, you know, this one just died. This was the oh shit dump. This was a breakdown to a break up. This was a hardcore breakdown to a double top. We've done a pretty hardcore breakdown here to a double top. So last time we did this, right? What the, seriously, why does it do that? That was a fucking piece of shit. It's not a double topish, lower high, right? On the price action. Right, let's reduce this down, go smaller. Right, this is more bearish here, right? Look, you broke down, broke up, didn't break the new higher high, and then it just died. right? ADX chart still bearish. ADX chart still bearish. Now weekly still bearish. Ooh, okay. So look at this. We got this inverted head and shoulders down here pattern. Broke all the way up. Let's see if we can find that shoulder, head, boom. That would be the shoulder there, right? Yeah. I mean, that there was a hell of a run, peoples. Right? Hell of a run. And it is definitely rolled. Let's just watch this right here. This has had a really good retrace right here. All right, honestly, this, see right here is where the price stopped. So you see this big dildo candle, well, big, relatively speaking, all right? So that green dildo candle, I mean, pretty much that ended here. The rest of this entire move from here to here has been sideways action. From here to the top. PA. I want to see if I can find something that's done that before. See, look, this has kept going. This just kept going. So here's where you ran out. So you ran out right here, and then this was your sideways action, right? And then it dumped, right? Because this was, so it kept going up, but you had the sideways action, and then it dumped. I mean, we've been going sideways for a long time. Yeah, see, but this was going up. Yep, same thing here. So this basically went up here. There, just went sideways, but this is much lower. This was all up. That's all up. That's all up. That was still up. Yeah, that was up all the way. Up, yeah, that was all up. Oh, that was all up. That was all up. That was all up. This wasn't up. No, that's up. $25. That is just different. Huh, that's weird. Why would it do that? It's never happened before. Really weird. I don't know what I'm stumped. I don't know what to say on this one. Indicator kept running, and price action just completely went sideways. All right, we're gonna have to come back to that one. Let's do a little more researchy on that. Latest move didn't do shit. Shorts to longs, longs high, shorts low. I swear to God, if I hear it fucking, I swear to God. Shorts low, longs high. Longs closer to the danger zone. And shorts are back in the top of the danger zone. That's fucking interesting. So last time we did this whole shit show, and we didn't find Baby Bull Jesus till here. So here's where we found Baby Bull Jesus, was right here. That's it. So this is where we found baby bull Jesus right here. It was on a double test to the RSI, to the deep side. Look, we had the first test, boom, rocket, down, dump, right? And then, you know, we still have not found the second test here. Now you see that this RSI last time, well, everything pretty much, you see there's the box. So you see how you played this out. You dump that to the downside there. There's your stoke. I'm sorry, your histogram, right? And like we have a bullish poke, we have a bullish cross on the histo right here. So you got a bullish cross on the histo on the monthly. It's almost like, yeah, nope. Okay, that's it. Oh, shit. One more chart. All right, let's see what we got. Here's our 12-hour. $3,500. Excuse me. All right, everybody, that's it. Thank you all so much. Yes, it is. It's boring going sideways. All right, everybody, thank you. I am done. Updated all the members. All the members area is updated. Holy shit. Good job, Peaky. Okay, all right, hold on a second. Peaky in the group, give us a chart. We're going to take a look at it before we end this. Oh, that's mine. Sorry. He gave my chart. Hold on, here's his chart. All right, here we go. Said there's a gap up here somewhere. Huh. Let's see this gap. Yeah. There we go. All right. Yeah. Where is BTT? Is it still running? Looky, Vampy. Looky, Vampy. Come on. Nice. I mean, it's hard to say. It's hard for me to take any credit for this. I mean, other than the fact that I called this bounce almost freaking perfectly. Let's go back. Let's go find this baby. All right, everybody, that's it. I am out. Peace. We are from Trading Associates. I am the Vamp. I make too damn long of videos lately. All right, it's 11:30 here. I am out.